to up your programming game in 2024? In this video, we will show you the top 10 gadgets that will help you get more done, make your coding sessions go more smoothly, and maybe even make things more fun. Let's get started. Number 1. Vesta Board Message Board. The Vesta Board is sleek and minimalistic, making it a great choice for those who appreciate simplicity and clarity. This device offers 132 customizable split-flap character slots, providing a unique and eye-catching alternative to a regular digital display. It is sure to bring a smile to anyone who sees it. It has the ability to show a wide range of information, such as weather updates, live scores, and personal messages. The Vesta Board is a suitable choice for spacious homes or open workspaces, thanks to its 42-inch diagonal measurement. However, it is important to consider the budget before making a purchase. The device can be easily controlled using either a mobile or a web app. Number 2. HP USB-C G5 Essential Dock. The HP USB-C G5 Essential Laptop Docking Station offers effortless connectivity for the devices programmers commonly use, such as laptops, monitors, external drives, and various Bluetooth accessories. This compact docking station is perfect for charging your phone or powering up your earbuds. With its sleek and modern design, it takes up minimal space, measuring less than 5 by 5 inches. It is highly compatible and can be used with a wide range of devices using USB-C or Thunderbolt connections. In addition, the setup process is also safe, secure, and efficient. There are 4 USB-A ports, Ethernet, and power available for your laptop. That's precisely why it ranks among the top gifts for programmers. Using a single convenient device, users can effortlessly manage their tasks, keep their devices powered, and eliminate concerns about battery life. Number 3. HyperX Starter Gamer Bundle. The HyperX Starter Gamer Bundle includes all the essential items for any computer user, such as a gaming headset and microphone, a backlit keyboard, and a gaming mouse. For PC gamers and individuals seeking enhanced focus, these HyperX gaming accessories provide an immersive experience. The HyperX Alloy Core RGB gaming keyboard offers illuminated keys with a variety of colors and 6 preset lighting options. It also includes 5 customizable RGB key zones. The keys are both responsive and quiet, ensuring that users won't be bothered by any distracting background noise. The HyperX Cloud Stinger gaming headset is designed to provide a maximum comfort and a stylish appearance. The black and red accents have a professional look that is suitable for wearing to work. Additionally, the DTS Headphone X spatial audio feature offers exceptional sound quality for various activities, such as streaming movies on Netflix, playing Apex Legends, or enjoying music while working. Number 4. Logitech Ergo K860 Wireless Ergonomic Keyboard. The Logitech Ergo K860 is just one of the many ergonomic keyboards available on the market today. Nevertheless, this keyboard is widely recognized for its user-friendly design, effortless adaptability, and competitive pricing in comparison to similar alternatives. The K860 is a full-sized keyboard, which makes it an excellent choice for programmers who spend a significant amount of time typing. It is considered one of the best coding gifts available. Many people find split keyboards to be highly beneficial in reducing wrist pain and minimizing the risk of carpal tunnel syndrome, although they may not be suitable for everyone. The K860 also includes a wrist rest to enhance typing comfort. Number 5. MacBook Pro. The MacBook Pro is an essential device for programmers. The keyboard of the MacBook Pro is a greatly improved feature. The MacBook Pro is highly regarded among programmers and developers as a top technology tool. Apple's operating system, macOS, has received widespread praise from millions of users for its sleek design and powerful performance. Programmers and developers need laptops that are designed for running complex software efficiently, much like how racing car drivers require high performance and optimized vehicles. Rendering large files is more efficient on high-performance computers such as the Mac. The MacBook Pro is perfect for everyday computer tasks, thanks to its powerful 7th generation Intel Core processors. This laptop's compact size enables it to efficiently handle multiple resource-intensive programs at the same time. The clock speed of 3.6 GHz, thanks to its Turbo Boost technology, allows for efficient multitasking with multiple applications. This laptop is an excellent choice for mobile programmers and developers due to its top-notch components. Number 6. Exter Parliament Smart Wallet. The Exter Parliament is a user-friendly bifold wallet that offers protection against identity theft with its RFID coding. It also features a patented mechanism that easily ejects cards from its aluminum storage pocket with a simple press of a button. This wallet can hold up to 10 cards and also has a convenient strap for carrying cash and receipts. The wallet from Exter is made of premium leather and is available in a variety of colors. A Bluetooth tracker for the wallet is also an option. This ultra-thin gadget has a maximum range of 200 feet and is powered by light, eliminating the need for a battery. Number 7. Money Ergonomic Chair. Spending long hours sitting down can be tiring for programmers or tech enthusiasts. It can cause pain and have lasting impacts on the back and spine. Thus, an ergonomic chair is a highly practical gift that every programmer would appreciate for its comfort. Money is a user-friendly office chair that includes lumbar support, a 3D headrest, flip-up armrests, and a lockable swivel design. By following these methods, individuals who spend long periods sitting at a desk can enhance their posture, relieve back discomfort, and potentially address issues such as sciatica. The material is made with a combination of sponges, which makes it breathable and comfortable. Our chair features armrests that can easily flip up at 90 degrees, allowing you to customize the chair to fit your body perfectly. This is very helpful for correcting your posture and sitting position while still maintaining comfort. Number 8. HP Envy 34-inch All-in-One. This elegant PC is equipped with all the necessary components for a top-notch setup. It features an Intel Core i5 12400 processor, NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 graphics, and 16GB of DDR5 4000 MHz RAM. It effortlessly handles multiple programs simultaneously and maintains a high level of performance. Remote workers will appreciate the convenience of the detachable 16-megapixel magnetic camera that can easily switch positions to offer a versatile view from various angles. Users will appreciate the large 34-inch display, perfect for watching videos and editing creative work with stunning 5K detail. In addition, the 21:9 aspect ratio allows for a wider view of the picture, eliminating the need for scrolling or zooming out. This HP Envy All-in-One makes gift-giving easier with its included wireless keyboard and mouse and built-in Bang & Olufsen speakers. Ports on this device are designed to be straightforward and easy to use. It includes 2 Thunderbolt 4 with USB 4 Type-C ports, over 4 Super Speed USB Type-A ports, a Super Speed USB Type-C port, Ethernet, and a headphone and microphone combo. This PC is highly customizable, allowing you to easily adjust the memory, graphics, processing power, and more according to your preferences. It's the ideal gift for those seeking a truly personalized experience. Number 9. Apollo Cloud 2 Duo. When tackling a complex project, it can be challenging to effectively organize and manage the numerous files required for the task. Easily eliminate it with a reliable storage device such as the Apollo Cloud 2 Duo. This feature ensures that your smartphone's media files, including movies and images, are always accessible and secure. The Apollo Cloud 2 Duo is an affordable and easy-to-use network-attached storage or NAS device. Their device has a generous 8 terabytes of internal memory, allowing you to effortlessly store and share extensive media collections from your mobile device. Their file transfer rates are faster than average, and they offer innovative and useful features, such as backing up an entire smartphone's photo roll. Installing the device is simple and understandable, as you can use either the web app or the mobile app, and it is also available for both Android and iOS. Number 10. Sony WH-1000XM5 Wireless ANC Headphones. The WH-1000XM5 headphones have user-friendly touch control settings. For instance, you can switch from noise canceling to ambient sound by pressing the button on the left side. On the right side, you can use the touch panel to play or pause music, skip tracks, adjust volume, and perform other functions. The Headphones Connect app is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, allowing you to easily stay connected with your surroundings and activities. It automatically adjusts settings such as noise canceling and ambient sound levels. If you're running, the ambient sound levels may increase and then decrease when you're sitting in a cafe. One of the convenient features of the WH-1000XM5S is that they automatically pause audio when taking off your head, thanks to a hidden sensor in the ear cup. Keep them turned off for a bit longer and they will automatically power down, helping to conserve your battery life. You also have the option to connect to 2 devices simultaneously and easily switch between them based on their activities, allowing you to prioritize important notifications. Enjoyed the video? Please hit the like button, share with your friends, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more awesome content. Thanks for watching.